So if you want to speed up your workflow and then quickly export it out in a certain resolution or file type, then you can utilize presets in Handbrake. So for that, let me just go around over here onto Handbrake and load out a file as I want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and load out this file right here. Then over here, you can choose the format as you like. And over here on the top, you can see preset as an option. So here, what you can do is you can go ahead and choose a format that you like. So there's different devices of presets, there's hardware presets, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go to web right here, let's say for example, and over here I'm going to select YouTube and Vimeo 720p 30. So it's 720 resolution, 30 frames per second, which is a preset that you can utilize. Let me just go ahead and browse and export this out right here onto, let's say for example, here on my videos folder right here, just like this. So over here, this is an MP4 format. So I need to go ahead and make sure to select that particular file name. So I'm just going to go around and say sample MP4 720 right here, just like this. Click on save. You can name the file whatever you want and then click on start encode right here. So now using that particular preset, what happens is that it converts out the file and then it will be available in this particular folder where I chose as I actually converted. So you can see that there's this file right here which has been converted, as you can see right here. And then this is what you have right here. So this is M4V, as you can see right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and then open this out, then it uses the media player right here to go ahead and play it out just like this. And this is the converted media file right here that I converted from Handbrake. And that is how you can choose a preset for fast conversion inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.